Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. It is a very dreary weekend here. It is so cold. That's why I got my comfy sweatshirt on. My hair is up. We were having just a lounge weekend because it is so disgusting out. But in any case, it is the first weekend in May, is it? Maybe it's the second. I think the first was last weekend. So is this considered the first or second weekend? I don't know. But in any case, it is the first full weekend of May and we are unboxing this month's Boxycharm. There was a sticker caught to it and I tried ripping it off, but I ripped part of the box off. But anyway, we are unboxing this month's Boxycharm base box. This is the May 2022 box. We're gonna see what's inside and hopefully it's some good stuff. As always, I'm so grateful to Boxycharm for sending me these boxes to share with you guys. I have found some of my favorite products of all time in these boxes, including skincare and makeup products, so hopefully we find a new favorite this month. So here is what we've got inside here. The theme is Super Bloom. We don't need this paper. We've got some stuff in here. Let's see. It's kind of a heavy box. Okay, so they actually included a product in here that's not part of the box, but it is a brand that is actually new to Boxycharm, and they said that they would be including this in this month's box for the brand ambassadors that they send this out to. It is from the brand Refreshments. It says, we don't make bathroom essentials, we make self-care superstars. So it looks like a razor. I've never heard of this brand before. They have hand cream, conditioner, deodorant, razors, all kinds of stuff. So what they sent here is the Refreshments Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit in Pink Bubbly. Let's see. Okay, so it says, get to know your dazzling 5-blade razor kit. We have 2 5-blade cartridges, reusable handle, and a magnetic wall mount. That's actually pretty cool. So here it is here. I don't want to take it all out, but I gotta put it together. This is really neat, actually. Oh, it's heavy too. Like, this feels like very good quality. I'm very excited to try this out because I need some new razors. So this is great timing, actually. So now as far as what is in the box for Boxycharm, we've got some stuff kind of rolled around when I took that box out, but let us start. Okay, so I have heard of this brand before. I have used this brand before. It is Skin Ink Supplement Bar, and this is their Serum Glow Filter. So here it is here. It says Hydra Micro Capsule. Ooh, look how fun that is. Looks so pretty. So there it is here. I think what I used from Skin Ink before, if I'm not mistaken, was this like serum that had like all kinds of different things in it. So let's see what this is. This is the Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. Glow up with the world's first skincare makeup. Serum Glow Filter. Blending beauty and technology in one bottle, this clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Ink's top two best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. It's worth $50. That actually sounds awesome because I have rosacea, so my skin gets very red, especially in the warmer months when I tend to opt for less makeup because I just don't like heavy makeup on my skin in the warmer months. So I'm really excited to try this out, actually. This is awesome. Ooh, okay, so next we have something from a brand that I love. It is from a pharmacy. Here it is here. It is their Honeymoon Glow Body. It is 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Serum with honey and prickly pear. So here it is here. And it says Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. A body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow, and is worth $40. I love pharmacy products and I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm really excited to try this out. I haven't tried any of their body products, so I'm interested to see what this is like. Okay, next we have another brand that I know and love. It is from Ciate, London. It is their Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. So here it is here. I think I actually have a Ciate Dewy Primer. Yeah, so I actually got this a few months ago. It is the Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Admittedly, I haven't tried it just yet because I'm trying to run through some of my other primers before I open new ones, but I'll have to try these two together. I have used, it was like a watermelon setting spray from Ciate before and loved it. I ran out of that. But anyway, I'm excited to try this Glossy Cheek Tint. Let's see, I have been so for like liquid and cream blushes lately. I actually posted a reel and a TikTok on my Instagram, my TikTok account, about some of my favorite cream and liquid blushes lately, so maybe we will add this one to the list. Here it is here. Kind of want to swatch it. So it says the shade is coconut. There's the little dot. Oh, okay, so it's like a nice, like once you like blend it in, it is like a nice tint. Like it's not too much. That's actually really nice. Ooh, and it smells like coconut too. That smells very strongly like coconut actually. Okay, next we have a brand that I haven't heard of before. It is from V Cosmetic, and cosmetic is spelled with a K, and the last, what it's supposed to be C is also a K, but a backwards K. This is the Liquid Velvet Lipstick. So here it is here. It says it is the shade Bubbly. Let's see. Ooh, that is very bubbly and pink. There it is there. It's coming up kind of darker on the camera than it is like in person. Swatch it. That is super duper pink. There it is there. I'm not really sure if that's my color, but I am willing to try anything, so I will have to try that out, the full face makeup. Sometimes with like darker color lip products, I am just too pale for them, but I'll try it. And also totally realized that I forgot to read the Dewy Blush summary. So it says here, Ciate London Dewy Blush. Dewy Blush is a next-gen gel balm tint blush that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush with an ultra lightweight finish. Dewy Blush leaves just a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. Formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit, the blush brightens your base, leaving the skin with an even and healthy flush of color, and is worth $22. And then for the V Cosmetic, it says V Cosmetic Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick. Unlike any other lip color you've ever seen, this liquid velvet lipstick is the product you need to add to your makeup kit. Formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long-wearing, make a unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. It is worth $22, and this brand is new to Boxy. So that is awesome. I wonder where they sell this, because that is definitely like a velvety color. Like it's so pigmented, and just it went on very smoothly. Like I like the way it looks. I'm just not sure if it's my color. And the last product we have here is also a brand that I haven't heard of before or used. It is from Basic Beauty, and it's an eyeshadow primer. So here it is here. If you've been following my channel for a while, it has been quite some time since I have found an eyeshadow primer that I like. So I will have to try this one. Here it is. Actually, that may be a lie. I received one in a box a few months ago from the brand Moonlit. This was the first time I tried this brand, and that one wasn't too bad. But we'll have to try this one. So it says here, Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. This is an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours. And is worth $18. Interesting, I'll have to try this out. So those are the products that were in this month's Boxycharm base box. I think it was a pretty even split of skincare and makeup. I'm really excited for the Skin Ink Serum as well as the Glossy Cheek Tint. I'm super excited for those two. Let me add up the total value of this box and I'll let you guys know what it is. Okay, so the total value of this box is $152. So you're obviously not paying anywhere near that to get these products that are worth $152 altogether. Overall, I mean, I feel like I've gotten better boxes before, but I'm still quite pleased what I got in this month's box because I'm super excited about that Skin Ink Serum. Like I'm really excited about that. I will definitely, anything I like, I will share to my Instagram stories. I always share products that I'm really liking there to let you guys know what I think of them. I feel like I've received so many products from Boxycharm over the past, I think I've been receiving them for like a year and a half now. I've received so many products from them that I've absolutely loved, and they've become some of my like top favorite products of all time, so that's awesome. I feel like I haven't received a palette in a few months, which is okay with me because I have so many palettes from Boxycharm, eyeshadow, blush, and highlighter palettes. But in any case, if you've tried any of these products out before and you have opinions on them, definitely leave a comment and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your opinions. If you got a Boxycharm box this month and got some different products, leave a comment and let me know. I love to hear what other people got in their boxes as well. And if you're interested in signing up and subscribing to Boxycharm, I will leave a link to do so down in the description down below. I know these boxes are great for people who like to try out new products but don't really want to spend all the money on new products. You're spending a lot less money with these boxes. It's also good for people who want to try new products but don't know where to start, because let me tell you, I've discovered so many new products and brands through these boxes. It's incredible. I also feel like they make a really good gifts as well for people who love skincare and makeup. But in any case, if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media. I got a new Instagram handle. I will leave it in the description down below. So until next time, see you guys.